React fragment. A common pattern in a React is for a component, okay, to return a multiple elements, okay. So that we will use React to render or to return multiple elements, okay. Definition. Fragment is used to group a list of children without adding extra node of the DOM, okay. Without using extra node of the DOM, we'll group list of children with the help of fragments, okay. This is the main advantage of React fragments, okay. We can easily render or return multiple nodes, okay. Syntax of React fragment, okay. React.fragment, okay, then React.fragment, okay. Closing tag React.fragments, okay. Example, React fragment, okay, h1 hello, h2 guys, okay, hello guys, self closing React.fragment, okay. This is the simple syntax of React, okay. Then another syntax is React.fragment key equal to id, okay. If you want dynamically, okay, if you want to return dynamically, then you will use these types of syntax, okay. Here React.fragment key equal to id, okay. Fragment React.fragment self closing, okay. Example, let's see in the example, okay. React.fragment, okay, key equal to item.id, okay. This is the item key is item.id, okay. It's on item.title, okay. Paragraph item.description, okay. This is a dynamically content, okay. If you want a dynamically content, okay, dynamically, so you can use these types of syntax, okay. React.fragment key equal to id, okay. Key equal to id. Now next one is modern syntax, okay. That is open bracket then close bracket, okay. This is the modern syntax, okay. So example of this syntax, open bracket then hello, then s2 guys, okay, hello guys, then self closing bracket, okay. This is the modern syntax of React fragment, okay. In the near future we will use these types of syntax, okay. Now let's do practical about the React fragments, okay, so that we learn detail about React fragment. Open your folder, okay, then go to your src folder, okay, then open app.js file, okay. If you want to render more than two file, okay, more than two file in this render method, okay, then in this component, then you will get here what error. I will show, okay. Then open view, then terminal, okay. So npm start to run a server, okay. It will take some time, okay, then it will loads the browser. Yeah, here if you want to return out more than two file, okay, more than two elements, then you will get error, okay. Here error failed to compile, okay. So that we'll use here React fragments, okay, so that we can easily render or return these multiple files, okay, to render multiple files, okay. So it thinks, so first I will complete this, okay, then remove this part, okay, return, okay, return, then here react dot fragments, okay, fragment, then okay, react dot fragment, then you will use here as one welcome, then as two, then save this file, okay, then go to your browser, then you will get here welcome to your online class, okay, react online class. Here this will result here error, so I'll handle that, okay. Then go to your index.js, okay. Here this is the error, I'll fix that, okay, then control S, okay, then you will get here this, okay, welcome react online class, okay. This is the advantage of react, okay, react fragments, okay, so that we will get that result, okay. React fragments helps to render or to return multiple files, okay, these are the files, okay, multiple files, okay. Then if you open that browser, then go to your inspect, okay, then you will get here, if you open the this deep root id, okay, then you will get here to s1 then s2, okay. Then now next, okay, this is method, okay. Then one method is like this, okay. If you want here only fragments, okay, fragment only, then here import that, okay, fragment, okay, then control s, okay, then you will get same result, okay, same result, okay. Then we'll try our next method, okay, that is opening and self closing brackets, okay, okay, then control s, okay, then go to your browser, then you will get same result, okay. Open this, okay, here same result, you will get same result, okay. So I prefer to I prefer or I recommend you to use this method, okay, this self opening and self closing bracket syntax, okay, for the react fragments, okay. This is the modern method of react fragments, okay, react fragment. This is all about react fragment, okay.